Alright, I just downloaded the latest version of Windows 8, right? The developer's beta version, I believe it's called. I know I'm primarily a Ubuntu Linux GIMP kind of a channel, right? But I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at it because, just like in the Linux world right at the moment, how we're all moving from a traditional desktop interface to more of a mixed of like a tablet interface. Like a good example would be Unity and GNOME Shell, right? Well, and also you've seen this with Mac OS X with Lion, right? They're bringing some of the iOS devices, interfaces over to Mac OS X, and now Windows is starting to take that same path as well. And I thought it'd just be interesting to kind of like just take a look at it and see what it's all about. So, anyways, I went ahead and downloaded the ISO. It's like a 3.5 gigabyte. The main one, the one with the developer tools, are I believe that's a 4.5 gig or a 4.6 gig. I'm not too sure. And I also downloaded the PDF basically just to what to look for and how to use it and stuff like that. So, anyways, I'm gonna be using this hard drive here, this backup hard drive for my laptop. I'm gonna be installing on that, and all I gotta do now is just burn the CD. So, anyways, let me just get it going. Well, not the CD, but the DVD is what I'm saying. So, anyways, I'm going to cut off the video. I'm going to burn it right now. Then I'm going to put the hard drive in my laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and install it. And hopefully from there, if everything works out fine, if I can find a screen capture tool, I'll use that. If not, I'll just use my phone here. So, anyways, see you guys in a bit. Okay, it's all done. Go ahead and close this and eject. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and install this on my laptop right now, and well, I got to take out the hard drive and put this thing on, and it's going to take a little time, so I'll be back in a couple seconds. Alright, this video is going to be pretty quick. I don't want to spend too much time. I was going to make an installation video, but I'm just going to give you a link to a fellow YouTube subscriber of mine who has made an installation video on VirtualBox. So I'll put a link to his video. This is not illegal to download, so I'll put a link to Windows 8 if you want to try it out. And anyways, like I've been using it for a little bit now, for like I don't know, about 6 hours maybe. And I do like the Metro UI. I think it's a cool idea. I like the idea of me logging into my computer and seeing what's going on right away. Like with the Twitter feed or Facebook feed or your stocks or whatever. That I dig. The multitasking of it is a little bit wonky. Here's a traditional desktop. Here's your file browser, Windows Explorer. You can, it looks a little bit different. I think they added like the Office style ribbon, I believe. And here's Internet Explorer. I haven't used Internet Explorer in a very long time, but it does look a lot different. It basically looks a lot slimmer. The search bar is on the left, and your tabs on your right. And let me go down to the bottom left. And there's a little overlay for like some, like your settings, I believe. And that's your settings right there, like for your Wi-Fi, your volume, stuff like that. Hit the window key. Go back to your Metro UI. Internet Explorer for the Metro is right here. So it's like touch enabled, stuff like that. You can do it on-screen keyboard if you want. What's killing it for me at the moment is my touchpad. I can't really get it to work. It does do the tap to click, but it doesn't do the side scrolling or the lower scrolling from left to right. So that kind of sucks right now, but anyways, I totally understand what Windows is doing right now because, the whole, I guess, evolution of things, touch enabled devices, mobile devices, what do you call it, tablets, right, touch screens. So, it's kind of cool for me to see Windows actually attempting to do this, because if you think about it, they've been doing pretty much the same thing for a very long time now. They do a lot of new stuff every time they make a release, but this is the first time they did something so drastic. And Ubuntu canonical with the Unity and GNOME with GNOME shells. Apple's been doing it already with the iOS. Now they're bringing that to what do you call it, their Lion, with their full screen applications and Launchpad and some of their multi gestures. So anyways, it's just another evolution of a OS, adapting to the times. And I'm not really much of a Windows user. I do use it from time to time, mainly for video games and online, playing online with some friends of mine, but that's pretty much all I really use it for. And a couple of applications. There's one application I do use. It's an art program called Manga Studio to draw. That doesn't work on Linux yet, under Wine, but I do use that one quite a bit on Windows. But so far it's pretty cool. It's just a little wonky with the multitasking. Being able to, I believe you have to like click on the left to drag or something like that, to like a little deck of cards, I guess, kind of. There we go. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. And I think it just has to do with my touchpad, like I said. So anyways, that's all I can really say for right now. It's still an alpha, it has a ways to go, and that's it really. So anyway, see you guys later, and sorry for the whole camera, my apologies, I don't have any, well, I should have looked for some screen capture software, but I just kind of want to show you that it does work on this little old laptop of mine. So anyways, see you guys later.